Don't fall down, I rather fall up. I'm tryna get Drake down into the mall up. A lot of niggas hate now and some show love, but a nigga boss down and I'm bossed up.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Fernanda, if you guys don't already know, and today I did this amazing look right here. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I did pair it up with the red lip because the holidays are coming up, and you know the red lip don't, always looks bomb with anything. So red lips is like the way to go. So if you guys want to see how I created this bomb ass look, then just keep on watching.
I know you're gonna do it for the gram, right? First things first, I fuck, get all the money. Bitches love me, keep it honey. Bitches like you, cause you funny. Niggas ain't stunners. I'm the one that came in.
For today's look, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette and this shade right here called Butter. This is going to be my transition shade, so I'm just going to be placing this all over the eyelid and just be building up the intensity and just blending this out as well. The next shade I'm going to be using is this one right here. This one is called Mocha. It's like a dark brown shade. This is going to be mainly inside my crease. That's it for the shades. I'm going to go in with the Glamour concealer in shade Light, and I'm going to be carving out to my crease. This is not going to be like a whole entire full cut crease. This is just going to be a regular cut crease. Once you got that down, we're going to go back in with the palette and go in with Mocha. Mocha. I'm going back in with Mocha, but if I didn't say the names right, I will be listing it down below in the screen as well. So I'm just going to be adding a little bit of that shade just to kind of deepen it in a little bit and make it a little bit more clean, because you do want your eyes to look a bit clean. So I did go back in with that shade. The next shade I'm using is this one right here. It's like a white. I'm pretty sure it's called Beam. And it's like really pretty, like it's bright, like a pearl color. So this is going to be adding it inside my crease. Now I'm going to go back in with Chip, and I'm going to be placing this in the outer part of the eye, trying to cover up where I cut the crease and just kind of making it a little bit like seamless so you won't be able to tell. I'm going to be going in with Wet n Wild eyeliner in brown. I don't really know the name of it, but I'll be listing it down below as well. And I'm just going to be doing my eyeliner. You couldn't really tell I even had eyeliner, but I don't know why you couldn't tell, but this is the eyeliner I'm using right here. It's very pretty and cute. Falsies, because you guys already know I love me some lashes, some thick lashes and long, because I am that extra, but these lashes are not even that extra. For the face, I'm using the Pore Filler by NYX and just placing this all over my face. This is the Better Than Sex mascara. I really love this mascara. I do like to add my mascara after my lashes because I just feel like it sticks well to them, so this is why I do it last. I know some people do it like first, but I don't know, whatever works with you, I guess. For primer, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lock Primer. I am running out. I need a new one. So this is going to be my primer for today. For foundation, it's the Superstay Matte Foundation. It's 24 hours and it's by Maybelline. It is drugstore, duh. But I mean, this foundation is so good. So if you guys have not tried it already, you guys should. I really recommend it. This is my all-time favorite foundation. Like, I go out all the time and my foundation does not move or anything, so it's like full coverage. For concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in Light Sand. This is a little bit light for me, but it's okay, like I make it work. So this is the concealer I'm going to be using. I usually put it under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, my mustache area, and a little bit on my like chin, and I do blend it in with a beauty blender by Morphe, and I do soak it in water because I feel like it works best. So please don't use it dry unless it works out with you dry, I guess. For the powder, I'm using the Fit Me powder by Maybelline in shade 25 to set my under eyes and my face. Basically, where I just place my foundation is where I would place this powder. Now it's time for bronzer. I'm using this AH contour kit by Anastasia. This is in the shade Mocha or Espresso, one of those two, Mocha or Espresso, but I'll be listing it down below as well. And I'm just going to be doing my bronzer. I like to go a little bit ham in my bronzer because I like to feel bronzed, so don't mind my bronziness. And I do place this on my cheeks and my forehead and a little bit under my jaw. To carve out my cheekbones, I am going to be using this powder by Maybelline. This is in the shade 30, so I just like to carve it out so it looks nice and clean. I like to go and set my face with the Marco Badescu Skincare Rose Water, and then I do kind of fan it with my hand because I couldn't find my fan. And for the highlighter, I'm using the Becca Champagne Pop. This thing is so bomb, and I'm going to be adding this to my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, my cupid's bow, usually everywhere where I usually highlight. I'm using this Anastasia blush trio, and I just recently got it. I was kind of excited, as you guys can see. It looks so pretty, the packaging. And this is a blush, so I'm going to be using this blush, and I wasn't aware of how pigmented it was, that my cheeks were so red and pink. I was like, whoa, I think I added too much, oh shit. And I kind of like blended it out, and it kind of worked out. I mean, it's a little bit pigmented, so next time I know that I shouldn't add so much. For highlighting my inner corners, I'm going to be using the Tartelette Pro Glow in the shade Stunner, and adding this to my inner corners because, you know, I like to brighten up my eyes a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water, and just going to be setting my face because I'm pretty much done with my face. For lippy, I'm going to be using this NYX matte lipstick, and it's red because you guys already know the holidays are coming up, and red is one of my favorites to do. So this is the look right here. So this is the look I created, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe down below. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you guys know when I'll be posting, and I do post every week, so don't miss on any video. Please go add me on Instagram. This is my Instagram right here. You guys can go follow me on there. I do post some pictures of my makeup and stuff. And go add me on Snapchat. I do post like when I'm gonna be posting my videos and like a little reminder. So, and I'll also post like where I go out and stuff, and like, you know, anything I just do post it on there. So go follow me on Snapchat, and you guys can go follow me on Twitter. I do tweet sometimes, so go follow me on Twitter as well. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below any other suggestion videos you guys want me to do. And yeah, see you guys next time. So bye.